One of the best traditional plates in Mexico is the mole, guys. Mole is a really, really good dish. It's perfect. It's one of those dishes that will make you go, wow, I want more. And the reason why is because it's full of flavor. The smoky flavor, the chocolate flavor, all that combined together with nuts and everything. Oh my goodness, it's a really, really good dish. And guess what? We're gonna be making it today. Don't go anywhere. This is gonna get really, really good. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna boil our chicken. And the way we're gonna do this is we're gonna use a half of onion. Look at that. One more thing we're gonna do is we're gonna use a whole garlic head. Just like that. We're gonna put some salt on it. We're gonna put a couple pieces of bay leaves. We're gonna put all of our chicken in there. I'm using 2 breast chicken. Then we're gonna throw this in there. This is just legs. Okay, look at this. And these are 8 pieces. This recipe goes for generations. Everybody makes it different, but the results are always, always, always really, really good. Some people make it from scratch, and some other people like myself, we make it with this. But we're still gonna give it our spin. Chocolate, abuelita. All this you can find it at Walmart, guys. And because we're gonna be waiting for this to reinforce the flavor, we're gonna be making a sauce on the side, which is the same thing as what's in here. But we're gonna reinforce this by using this. We're gonna cut 2 tomatoes. We're gonna cut 2 tomatoes like this, and then we're gonna put them on the fryer. And we wanna wait for those tomatoes until they're nice and soft. We're gonna do the same thing with the rest of our onion. And in the meantime, we're gonna clean up the chilies. We don't want the seeds. We just want the peppers. This is New Mexico chilies. We're gonna use 5 of this. And then chile ancho. Okay? Chile ancho. Everything is gonna be on the description of this video. I'm gonna use 2 of them. And then we're gonna let this roast for a little bit. Have you guys tried this yet? I'm drinking this today and it's really, really good. I like it. Oh my goodness, that's so good. This is really, really good. Those onions ain't soft yet, so I just got all these out. We're gonna wait for the onions. While we wait, this right here. This is like paste. Look at that. Look at that. We got it in there. Onions are done. Alright guys, our chicken is done. What we're gonna do, we're gonna transfer the chicken onto this. Bay leaves and the onions that we put in there, we're not gonna use them. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna strain the broth. We're gonna strain it. The broth, we're gonna use it on this, okay? And our chocolate abuelita comes like this. It's a big, big tablet, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna break it. We're gonna break it in pieces. And we're gonna put it right here. I just use all of it. And then to that, we're gonna add some crackers. If you're asking what the crackers are for, we're gonna use those so we can thicken up the sauce. The leftover broth that's in here, we're still gonna use it. We're not gonna throw it away. We're gonna use it because with this, we're gonna make some rice. We're gonna blend all this. On this one here, we're gonna start cooking our mole. One thing we're gonna do is once we get done with this mole, we're gonna strain it, and so it'll turn really, really nice, okay? We're gonna cook it, we're gonna put it on low heat. And this is how we're gonna do our chicken. The chicken legs, we're just gonna throw them in there. Look at that. Now we're just gonna make some rice. 1 tomato, and we're gonna slice it on little squares. We're gonna put some corn and sweet peas. This one is a little bitty one, look at the size. This is a little bitty one, we're gonna put it all. This one right here, I'm gonna use probably half. We're gonna put some lime, and then we're gonna put a little bit of cilantro. Before we add any water to the rice, we have to be sure that it's a little bit of golden color coming out of it, okay? And then I'm gonna put a little pieces of jalapeno. And then we want some onion. Remember the chicken broth that we use for that? We still got it right here. This is what we're going to use for the rice. We add everything to the rice. Now we use our chicken broth. Forget about the lime. And then we just cover it up and let it cook in low heat. It will be nice to make this from scratch. It would have been nice, but it will take a while. But either way, if you don't want to use the sauce, it's fine. Just follow the recipe for the sauce that I made, and it's just fine. That's just perfect. It's the same thing. We're just reinforcing the flavor just a little bit. This is going to turn out really, really good, especially the color, because that thing is like a paste, and it works just fine. That was grandma's special. Every time we went to their house, to my grandparents' house, that was their special. Oh my goodness. Look at this rice, guys. Look at this rice. Oh my God. All right, the rice is ready and our mole is ready. Let's try it out. Look at this, guys. Look at this plate. Oh my God, look at this, guys. It looks really, really good. Let's try it out. Oh my God, this turned out really, really good. When I said this is good, it's an understatement. Guys, you have to try this recipe, guys. You really have to try it. Oh my God. Almost forgot about the tortilla. I don't know how to describe it. This is really, really good. The smoky flavor from the peppers, the chocolate, the sweetness, and the saltiness at the same time. Everything hits at the same time. It's so good, so perfect, guys. You have to try it. You won't be disappointed. I'm telling you. For the person who asked for this, I'm gonna give you an A+, buddy, because this dish turned out really, really good. This is one of the best plates I ever made. It is really, really good. Thank you so much. Well, people, thank you so much for sticking around with me. But this is all I got for you. Thank you so much. I love you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.